Is it possible to add remote start to your vehicle in less than 30 minutes? That's the claim with this thing. There's only one way to find out.
All right, let's go drag racing.
We got my 2017 Ram 1500. I got my key here. Obviously no remote start on this. This is a base model truck. I really would like remote start. Well, StartX makes this kit. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself because I want remote start. This is a plug and play kit. No, splicing wires, nothing crazy like that. You plug and play, and then you're supposed to be able to hit your lock button 3 times, and then your car or truck automatically starts. So if we can do that in less than 30 minutes, I'm gonna say an hour with us recording, that's gonna be pretty awesome. They make these kits for tons of vehicles, so I'll link everything in the description down below. Each one of these kits obviously comes with its own instructions for each vehicle. I've already watched the video on this one. Seems to be really simple. There is one thing: you have to plug it into a computer and flash a program or something onto here, but you plug it into your computer, click a couple buttons, and it should be good to go. Seems pretty easy. They even include a little pry tool for getting stuff out of your OBD2 port, and some zip ties as well. First things first, let's go ahead and get the dash pulled apart. Well, I say pull the dash apart, but it's only 2 screws, so not that big of a deal. It's gonna be different for every vehicle, and their instructions are super easy to follow. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw a time lapse over this. Basically, I'm gonna pull a couple of these screws out, pull this lower panel off, and then just plug in our setup. Okay, we got the harness all plugged in. That was super easy and straightforward. Then we got this thing all plugged in and programmed. You have to open the door, shut the door, turn the key on, spin around twice. Now we have to take this inside on the computer, plug this in, download their little website program thing. I'll go run inside and do that real quick. Okay guys, it should be all programmed and ready to go. Before we button everything back up, let's go ahead and test it. The computer programming was super easy. You just download their little app and plug in your module, click download and let it flash onto there, and then it's all good to go. So we plugged everything back in. Now let's go ahead and hit the lock button 3 times and see what happens. There you go, just like that. To get it to turn off, you hit it 3 more times. And then it turns off. When you use the remote start, it says it'll run for 15 minutes and then it'll shut itself off automatically. And then it also says within 45 seconds of unlocking the truck, you have to get in, close the door, turn the key to on, and put your foot on the brake within 45 seconds of unlocking it while it's remote started, and then it'll keep running. And that's the way to keep it going. But yeah, overall, I am super impressed. Haven't got to use it a whole bunch yet, but I'll keep you guys updated. For under $200, I think it was like 150 or 160 bucks for this kit. Adding remote start is gonna be awesome for the winter and the summer, especially with just plug and play, no splicing any wires, no doing anything crazy like that. I think it is a no-brainer. Again, I'm gonna link everything down below, but I'm gonna go ahead and button this stuff up under the dash. I think you could definitely knock this out in 30 minutes, maybe even less. You don't have to know anything about cars or wiring or anything like that. Like I said, plug and play. Can't get much easier than that. As long as this thing holds up for a little while, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. And that'll be it for today's video. As always, I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take it easy, and we'll catch you on the next one.